If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video right now because I'm going to show you how to place order on 1688 without any hassle. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Sauba or Pinduoduo, I do fish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to place an order on 1688 without any hassle. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the next thing to do is to search for an item. There are various ways by which you can use to search for an item on 1688 Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for in the search engine right here. Then you are going to see a similar result of the item. Another way to search for an item on 1688 is to make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you do here is to upload a picture of an item that you are looking for, and you are going to see a similar result of the particular item. Alternatively, you can simply click on new right here. This icon here stands for new uploaded item by different factory, different supplier on 1688. Or better still, click on this particular place right here, which has to do with items by category. So you can search for the item by category. Simply click on here, or better still, you can simply scroll down like this and begin to check from the newsfeed right here, and from there you select a particular item that you want to purchase. After you have successfully sourced an item on 1688, the next thing you need to do is to add the item to cart. So with that, let's check out on how we can add an item to cart on 1688. Alright, so this item right here, I need just 3 pieces from this particular store. And the first thing we need to do, like I said earlier, is to add an item to cart. And for us to add an item to cart, we'll simply click on here. So from this point here, this is where we need to select the products that we need. So right here, I need number 3 of this item. I need just 2 pieces of number 3. I will come down below right here. I will make sure I click on here to add 2 pieces. 1, 2. Okay. Then I need number 5, which is next to it. Or is this one right here, number 5. So I will simply select the item. Then I need just 1 pieces. I will click on here to add just 1. Then I'll click on here to finally add them to cart. Item has been successfully added to cart. So let's check on another store and see how we can add more items to cart on 1688 before we proceed to checkout and finally make placement of an order by making payment with our Alipay. So let's check it out. Alright, so from this store right here, I need just 3 pieces from this particular store. Okay, so for us to add the item to cart, same thing we need to do is to simply click on here. So by default, the item is already in 3 pieces, which is the minimum order you can buy from the store. So what I need to do is to simply click on here to add the 3 pieces to cart. Item successfully added to cart. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to fill my cart. So all the item is going to be found right here in our cart. So the next thing we need to do is to select the item and proceed to checkout. So for us to do that, we simply click on here to select the first one. Then we click on here to select the second one. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 47.70 yuan to purchase all the item. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to place the order. Next thing, I need to make sure that my Alipay is checked, just like what you see right here. Then finally, we click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, I click on here to continue with my payment. Then enter payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to go back to my profile. Then go back. And for me to visit my profile, I need to simply click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, the item we just placed order is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here is the first one and here is the second one. It's as simple as that. So this is how to place an order on 1688 without any hassle. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.